Alright, let's open our workspace. Inside your workspace, I created a folder called Heroes and Villains. I'll just run the terminal from here. We have Angular already installed, so if you want to check the Angular version, just type ng version. I have Node version 18.12.1 and I have Angular 15.0.4. When we want to create a new application using Angular, what we normally do is ng new. Let me just call it app. You'll get a prompt. Would you like to add routine? For now, we don't want. Another option is the style sheet format that you want to use. Let us use CSS. After that, you'll see that the project has been created. The project is called app, and then we are installing the packages automatically when the application is being installed. The packages that are being installed here are the Angular dependencies, all the Angular dependencies required. This is gonna take some while. I'm gonna pause this video. Then once we're done, we just continue.